everybody, I'm going to make a video for you today going through one of my new favorite planners. I use a lot of planners and this one's one of my favorites. So this is called Auralign and this is the 2021 planner by Alina Brown. I hope I'm saying her name, Alina or Alina. She has a YouTube channel and she's like an astrologer, and this is a planner for anyone who's into astrology and like the seasons and health. So I'm going to read this page because this will explain pretty much what this is all about. Not the whole thing, I guess. I'll just read parts of it. So this is a planner for prioritizing goals, getting clear on your desired habits, using the power of the cosmos and seasons for clarity and balance. So it's got to focus on the seasons, the cosmos, and psychology to reach personal goals. So yeah, this is really awesome. It's got, like I said, stuff about the seasons, the monthly new and full moon, and seasonal foods and habits. So this is, I'm going to go through here just the main pages, not the whole thing, because it's a yearly thing, so it's going to have January through December. But I'll just go through the beginning, and then I'll go through 1 month to show you what that looks like. So, how will you benefit from this planner? You will get aligned with the stars, stay clear with your purpose, find balance with the seasons, practice gratitude, stay consistent, visualize your goals into reality, prioritize what matters most, and practice more self-care. Oh my gosh, I just love all those things. So this is one of my favorite planners. So it's got a section that tells you how the planner works. Get aligned, get clear, get specific. So it's got the lunar phases, which is something I'm really into. So if you are a Wiccan, pagan, or any earth religion, you'll just love this. It's got a section for the eclipses and the retrogrades, the seasons, and mindset. So there's, just disregard my writing. I've been using this for a couple weeks now. So it helps you narrow down your goals, get specific on action steps, turning your goals into action steps. So then there's a section on all the dates, the lunar dates, the retrogrades, time zones, and symbols. So I'm just going to jump ahead to the next month that I have not used, so you don't have to look at my writing. Alright, so here's the monthly spread. So it's got a little quote there, to-do list, personal section, monthly goals, habit tracker, and then the month, of course. So on each page it's going to have, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are smaller. So you have a weekly intention and priorities. And then for each day, you've got daily intentions, top priorities, today, and daily gratitude. So gratitude, as you might know if you've been following this channel, is one of my favorite things, and I think it's one of the things that everybody should do, is write in a gratitude journal, or at least every day. This is the bare minimum. At least write one thing that you're grateful for. So each month is going to have, each weekly spread. I'll go to the end of the month here to show you everything else that's in the month. So there's going to be a seasonal guide, seasonal habits, a writing prompt, seasonal foods, note pages, and then every month has the full moon page. This full moon I release these things because. And then the next page has what it looks like to release these things. With these things released, I am now manifesting. And then it's got new moon intentions. So you write down what you're manifesting, the feelings and that these intentions and goals evoke. And then down here it's your goal, seasonal intentions, monthly actions, weekly routine, and daily habits. These are all some of my favorite things. Like, I just love this planner. The only thing I would change about this, if I could change anything, is I would make it an 8.5 by 11, like a full size, because I mean these are small little areas to write in, but they do the job, and it's, I'm not going to complain, because if it's somebody that wants to carry this around with them, to be more portable, it's great for that. So it would probably fit in most purses. I just don't bring my journals with me anywhere. I like to use them at home, like on my altar or something. But this is a really well-built planner. It's solid. The cover's nice and thick. So yeah, I really like this planner. I just wish it was bigger, but other than that, it's everything that I want in a planner. I mean, I have other favorite planners. You might have seen another video that I did on some other ones. And I do like a lot of them, but this is one of my favorites because it focuses on the astrology aspect. And so if you are into astrology or following along with the seasons, which is something that, oh my gosh, that's one of the things that I just love talking about. Like, I love to align my health with the seasons, and so that's something that this planner is just perfect for. So I'm going to end this now, and I'm going to leave a link to this planner down in the description. But this is a 2021 planner, so get on that quickly if you want to use this for the majority of the year. Otherwise, I think she produces these every year. This is the first time I've ever tried this one, so I'm probably going to order one next year as well. So if you use this planner, leave a comment down below, or leave a comment about any suggestions or anything else you have to say, opinions. And be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, because I am a planner and journal addict, and I'm going to be doing walkthroughs of all the planners and journals that I use, as well as giving tips and tricks and inspiring you with just how to use journals and planners. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next